Hey guys, so I've been shooting a lot of videos recently with this setup, and it's like a $7 attachment from Amazon. It's got a little caliper adjustment, and you clamp your phone in there to open it up. And then clamp it down, and I mean, it's not going anywhere. And then with that, you set it up back probably 20 feet, 30 feet, 10 yards or so, and you can frame up your shot where you're gonna be fishing. Say you've caught a couple fish in this spot, you know it's good, and you wanna get the next catch on camera. Set this up 10 yards behind you, hit record, hike in to your spot, make a couple casts, and with that you can edit videos, cut a bunch of stuff out, just let the camera roll. And you can do it all for about 30 bucks. As long as you got a smartphone, you can adjust angles. And then also, this is just a $1/4 so you can get a chest mount for like another 15 bucks with a $1/4 mount, and you can unscrew this from here and mount your phone right to your chest, so you got a different point of view. And if you've got a action camera, mount it right to your chest, and then you can tie in the two videos together. That point where you hook up from behind you with the third person view, and then you can switch to the first person, reel it in the fish, and then switch back out to the third person view, landing, and then you can come up to your camera, show the fish off, and say, yeah, I've been working really hard, or however you wanna present it to the viewer, and it really makes for an awesome video at a really low cost. Oh, it's a monster, Sonny. Button up the pumpkin feed. How you doing?